Afternoon on the sandy beach. The sound of the waves is like a ripple. Wrap up a calm afternoon. The sunlight is sparkling. Gently illuminate the white sandy beach. The sea breeze stroking my feet. It brings soft memories. While following the path of the shell, my heart goes back to my childhood. Draw on the sand. Symbols of dreams and wishes. The sea spreading in Ogata. It will lead to an endless future. If you look up, the blue sky. The drifting clouds flow gracefully. Make you forget the flow of time. Leave yourself to this place. The laughter echoing in the distance. I'll bring it back with the waves. I shared it with my friends. Unreplaceable moments. This relaxing moment. The sandy beach is a film of the heart. Memories revive with the sound of waves. With the pieces of lovely days. When the sunset is approaching. Little by little, the sky is getting dyed. Announce the end of the day. Nodding at the beautiful gradation. Let's visit this place again. With the memory of the sandy beach in my heart. In order to spin a new story. Let's walk out of here now. I hope this reading will make you feel the scenery and feelings of the sandy beach.